In this video, I will show you how to enable LED flash notification for alerts on iPhone. To enable LED flash notification for iPhone, just go to your phone settings, you scroll down, you click on accessibility, you scroll down, you click on audio/visual, scroll down, you will see LED flash for alerts, you turn it on. This way you have enabled LED flash notification on your iPhone. If you receive text message or you have an incoming call, the LED flash on your iPhone will start blinking. Then if you want to turn on the LED flash notification for your iPhone, if it's on silent, you can turn it on by ticking the flash on silent. This way the flash notification will blink when your phone is on silent as well. So guys, that is it on how to turn on LED flash notification. I believe this tutorial is helpful. If it is, kindly give me a thumbs up by liking the video, and please, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.